kids! Today we're going to learn about colors, numbers, some yummy foods, and even a little bit about our friends from Paw Patrol using these cool, colorful picnic baskets. Each one of our picnic baskets has a different color and a different number on it. Let's check it out. This basket is red and has the number 1 on it. This basket is orange and has the number 2 on it. This basket is yellow and has the number 3 on it. This basket is green and has the number 4 on it. This basket is blue and has the number 5 on it. This basket is purple and has the number 6 on it. This basket is pink and has the number 7 on it. This basket is light purple and has the number 8 on it. This basket is light blue and has the number 9 on it. And this basket is lime green and it has the number 10 on it. That means there are 10 baskets all together. Wow, that's a lot of picnic baskets. Have you ever been on a picnic? A picnic is where you take a blanket, put it on some grass, and eat some food outside. Since we have 10 baskets all together full of food, it looks like we're gonna need to have some friends come and help us eat it all. Check it out! It's our friends from Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol are our guests for our picnic. And since we have so many baskets of food, I say we look at the color each of our characters from Paw Patrol are wearing and match it to the color of the baskets. And inside the baskets is a food that matches that color too. Let's check it out. Our first character from Paw Patrol is Rubble. Rubble wears yellow. Do you see any picnic baskets here that are yellow? Yeah, this one back here. Let's see what food is inside. It's a hunk of cheese. Cheese, like Rubble, is yellow. I like to eat cheese on pizza, salads, and even on tacos. And Rubble likes to eat cheese too. Here you go, Rubble. All right, let's move on to our next character. It's Marshall. Marshall wears red. Do you see a basket here that's red? Yeah, this one right here. What food do you think is inside this one? Let's see if you're right. It's a bunch of raspberries. Raspberries, like Marshall, are red. I like to eat raspberries for breakfast in the morning. They also make a really good flavor of jam. Here are your raspberries, Marshall. Hope they're good. All right, who's next? It's Chase. Chase wears blue. Do you see any picnic baskets here that are blue? Yeah, this one back here. What foods can you think of that are blue? All right, let's see what it is. It's a bunch of blueberries. Blueberries, like Chase, are blue. Have you ever had blueberry pancakes? Here's your blueberries, Chase. Enjoy! All right, let's move on to our next character. It's Sky. Sky wears pink. Do you see any picnic baskets here that are pink? Yeah, this one way over here. I wonder what's inside this one. Let's find out. It's a slice of watermelon. Watermelon, like Sky, is pink. Have you ever tried carrying a watermelon? They can be really heavy. Enjoy your watermelon, Sky. Okay, who's next? It's Rocky. Rocky wears green. Do you see any picnic baskets here that are green? Yeah, this one way over on the right. What kind of green food do you think is in here? Okay, let's check it out. It's an avocado. Avocados are green, just like Rocky. I love mushing up avocado to make guacamole. Here's your avocado, Rocky. Hope it's yummy. All right, only one more character left. It's Zuma. Zuma wears orange. Do you see any picnic baskets here that are orange? Yeah, this one back here. Let's see what orange food Zuma is going to eat. It's a popsicle. The popsicle is orange. I love eating popsicles in the summertime. Here's your popsicle, Zuma. Be careful, they can be really cold. All right, all of our guests have their food, but there's still 4 picnic baskets left. I guess those will have to be for us. Let's see what we're gonna eat today. I wonder what light blue food will be in here. Do you think you can guess? All right, let's see. It's a light blue cup. With all this food we're eating, it's important to wash it all down with a nice cup of water or juice. All right, what's next? I can't wait to see what's in this lime green basket. Let's find out. It's a green apple. Apples can be a few different colors. Sometimes they're red, but a lot of times they're green. All right, we're running out of picnic baskets here. Only 2 left. Let's finish up our food. What do you think is gonna be in this light purple picnic basket? All right, let's see if you're right. It's a donut with light purple icing. Donuts are super yummy and sweet. Let's finish up. Can you guess what might be in this purple picnic basket? All right, let's see. It's a bunch of grapes. Grapes are purple, and sometimes they can be green or red. All right, we did it. We matched all of our different colored picnic baskets to our friends from Paw Patrol. Thanks so much for playing with me. I hope you had fun. Who's your favorite character from Paw Patrol? And what's your favorite food to eat at a picnic? Sounds yummy. All right, I'll see you again next time. Bye.